tayo sa international departure formation. Then just lakad-lakad lang. Ito na. J-Wi-Fi mobile. Yep.
Link, correct?
Yep.
Wi-Fi.
Okay. Thank you. Can I try it here?
Yeah.
So here's a guide on how to book via Klook. So search for Wi-Fi router Japan and you'll see unlimited Wi-Fi LTE 4G Japan airport pickup with free power bank. Then you'll see the package option. So you can select the location where you'll need to pick up the Wi-Fi. So on our case, we've selected Tokyo where our arrival is. It's Narita Terminal 2. So I selected Narita Terminal 2. And here you'll see the highlights of what's included in the package. Then as I scroll down, I selected Narita Terminal 2. And then after that is you'll be selecting the plan, the mobile plan or data plan. So you can select unlimited, high speed up to 3 gigabytes per day or 10 gigabytes per day or 5 gigabytes per day. And I selected 10 gigabytes per day to ensure we are well connected in Japan and there's no interruption. After that, just select book now and it will be routing you to the page where it shows the summary of what you book. And you can select the dates as to up until when you'll be in Japan. So here, I'm showing you that you can also check the terms and conditions, where to pick up information, drop off information, how to claim the Wi-Fi, how to return the Wi-Fi, the kiosk or counter hours, opening hours is also shown here. So you see here the additional information, product details, the maximum number of devices and battery life, as well as the telecom company, and then the reviews as well. After that, as mentioned, you'll be routed to the page where you'll be selecting the availability or when you want to book the Wi-Fi. So it's the date of your stay in Japan. So for example, on this case, you can select March 28 to April 4. So if that's the duration of your stay to Japan. The total amount is dependent on the number of stay to Japan. So if it's $299 per day, then that's times 7 if you're staying in Japan for 7 days. Just click book now to complete the booking. That's all. Thank you for watching.